Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. First time setup and pairing tutorial. Step 1. Charge your watch. Ensure your watch is fully charged before beginning the setup. Step 2. Download the Huawei Health app. Android users, download from the Huawei App Gallery or Google Play Store. iOS users, download from the Apple App Store. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on to allow pairing. Step 4. Power on your watch. Press and hold the side button until the Huawei logo appears. Step 5. Initiate pairing mode on the watch. The watch should automatically enter pairing mode upon first use. If not, go to Settings, System, Disconnect, Scan to pair. Step 6. Pair via Huawei Health app. Open the Huawei Health app. Tap the Devices tab, tap Add or the icon. Select Smartwatch, Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing.